Our next class is going to be around the 30-mile-an-hour mark. 10,000-pound hot farm tractors. Got a really good track here. We got some really good tractors. So I'm assuming, my guess is 30 miles an hour plus. First tractor is going to be Sean Ross. Out of Barlow, Kentucky. Sean is a farmer by trade. Spouse named Debbie. International Harvester 1066, 466 cubic inches. 3,000 RPM limit in this class, along with the cubic inch limit of 460 to 470. So this class too has limitations that they got to go by. Open speed limit, but 3,000 RPM. There's a box on the front of the sled that's got just a common electric plug on it. They will plug in the back of the socket on that tractor. It will read the RPMs. Now, we won't see that like we do the speed at a distance. But at the end of the track, there'll be somebody check it and reset it every time. And if they're over RPMs, then that's not good. And assuming, I've not been on Facebook, but I'm sure I can try my phone. Yes, we are live on Facebook, thanks to Luke and Chris Carlisle down at the end of the track. Now you see all the back wheels off the sled are spinning in the air. I'm sure Sean is going to turn that down and try it one more time because his things just wasn't going good there. 279.60, 279.60, 25.6 miles an hour. But yeah, we are live on Facebook. I just finally got time to check. I just had a thought. I thought I bet we're live on Facebook. So if you know somebody can't be here with us tonight, United States Association of Pullers Facebook page or Turbocharged Pulling Videos Facebook page, we are live. Andy, is Sean going to keep that or turn it down? Okay, Sean's going to keep that. 279.60. Colin Rebel will be up next. Out of Bells, Tennessee, all revved up, name of the tractor, 4320 John Deere, 466 cubic inches. Wife Marissa, dad is Mike, two sisters Maddie and Clara, two brothers Davis, one brother Davis. All revved up. Old school 20 series John Deere, 4320. Relatively a new tractor in this class. I think it come out last fall. Colin Rebel, Daniel Roeder, Mike Dixon, Mark Hale, and Jared Belt. The one thing about the tractors in this class and other classes too, they build up so much heat in that motor they don't get cooled down in time to come back and pull again. So they pretty much got to, at the first puller, you pretty much got to keep what you got, because if you come back, you stand a really good chance of doing a lot of damage to that motor because there's so much heat built up in it. It don't have time to cool off. I've seen people use leaf blowers. I've seen a lot of people trying to cooling engines down so they can make another run. In the long run, you're better off, you like Sean Ross just did, say, let me up, I've had enough, I ain't going to do no more damage than I've already done. How many John Deere fans we got here tonight? Oh Lord, there's a loud one in here. There's a loud one over there too. And another loud one over there. Or was that just your echo? That was probably your echo. Colin Rebel out of Hale, Tennessee, all revved up, name of the tractor. .75, 310.75, 26.4 miles an hour for Colin Rebel. That was a mighty fine run right there. And you could tell by the sound of the motor, it wasn't using nearly all the horsepower it had. Puts him in first place right now, 310.75. Daniel Roeder will be up next. Coming in next out of Compton, Kentucky, Daniel Roeder, 1466 International. Now this one has the factory 436 motor in it, so he's out cubic inch right off the bat. Family is Wyatt, William, and Jackie. .436 cubic inches. For most of these tractors, if not all of them, are running 466. So he's out cubic inch by 30, but sometimes it don't make a bit of difference. Other times it'll make all the difference in the world. Now you'll notice these drivers got a lot of safety equipment on. They got the fire suit, the shoes, the helmet, the neck brace, and they're also strapped in with a 5-point harness. So much can go wrong so quick. And the safety rules is what keeps our drivers safe, no matter what level of pulling it's on. Our safety rules keep our drivers safe. Crofton, Kentucky, Daniel Rader. $274.05, 274.05, 20.5 miles an hour. Mighty good run right there. Out cubic inch by 30 plus, still a mighty good run. Tractor's a lot stronger than it was the last time I seen it run by far. $310.75. Colin Rebel right now still in the lead. Coming up next out of Murray, Kentucky, wheeling and dealing, name of the tractor, Mike Dixon, the driver, owner of Dixon Farm Equipment, and Mike is a farmer also. Dixon, Murray, Kentucky. Wheeling and dealing, name of the tractor. 1066 at 466 cubic inches. I seen this tractor make a run in Poplar Bluff, Missouri that was unreal. But it had just got back from the man, Luke Miller. Mike Dixon said, "Hold on, Chris Hughes, I'm taking you for a ride." 350.07, 350.07, 34 miles an hour even. Well, at least Chris did get the wheels of the sled back on the ground. Next up, we got Mark Hale coming out. Wheeling and Dealing 2 tractor is owned by Mike Dixon, driven normally by Mark Hale. He went up in Kentucky the other night somewhere. I can't remember which group he pulled with, but was it last night? He went to Madisonville. William was telling me about that today. Wife is Ginger. She got pulled in one class. Sons Evan and Luke. Wheeling and Dealing 2, name of the tractor. 155 case international harvester. 466 cubic inches, and like I said before, this tractor is owned by Mike Dixon. Wheeling and Dealing 2, name of the tractor. Like I said, another tractor owned by Mike Dixon. So Mike has 3 tractors here tonight. 2 red ones and a green one. Ginger in one farm stock class. That's a job there a while ago. Out of Murray, Kentucky. Now this tractor is set up to run our roads in central Kentucky and Indiana. The hot farm. This tractor does not have an intercooler on it, where everything else in this class does. Different places you go, you got the same class, but you got a rule or two that's different. And if you want to pull with them, you got to adapt to it. Mark Hale from Murray, Kentucky, Wheeling and Dealing 314.98, 314.98, 29.4 miles an hour. That'll put Mark in second place right now with one tractor to go. Jared Belt from right here in Marion. The man coming out here next is part of what made all this happen right here. Jared Belt from right here in Marion. Dirt Money, name of the tractor. Wife is Kristen, daughter is Rayleigh, Shelby, Kate, and Tia. Shelby Belt is the father. 2-time USA Motorsport champion, 2-time Southern Motorsports promotion, 10,000 hot farm class in Murfreesboro, the indoor pool, the end of January, 1st of February. If you win 2 times in Murfreesboro, you got it going on. If you win 2 times with this USA Pullers group, like Kenneth Chapman would say, that tractor ain't no slouch. That's for sure. Dirt Money, name of the tractor, large excavators here. And to my understanding, Jared saved the town of Marion when the dam was about to bust. Because we was talking, I guess it was Hopkinsville. We was talking about it. I said, well, did you save the town? Yeah, I saved the town, but now we ain't got no water. That's a true story. He drained the lake because I think the dam was about to bust. And I reckon now they're trucking in water. They rebuilt the dam and they're trucking in water to rebuild the reservoir so they'll have water here. Dirt Money, name of the tractor, Jared Belt, from right here in Marion, Kentucky, the driver. Have we still got any John Deere fans here? I think we got more than we had a while ago. We got a red tractor in the lead, but this one right here, very capable of taking over the lead. .25 for Jared Belt, 3:42.5 at 34 miles an hour even. Just a second, we'll have the winners. Mike Dixon's going to take first place home, 3:50.07. Jared Belt, 3:42.5. Mark Hale, third, 3:14.98. Colin Rebel, fourth, 3:10.75. Sean Ross, 279.6, and Daniel Roeder, 274.05. 7,000-pound super stock tractors are going to be up next.